Yes, you saw the title correctly. I will be installing every single version of PearOS. PearOS is an entirely free operating system with lots of useful features, a beautiful design, and regular updates. As you can see, it has been updated since 2021, so maybe it's a little outdated, but who cares? Let's go. So we go to how to install here. It shows us how to install this beautiful work of art. I'm just gonna go to versions, see if I can get one here. Which one should I choose? Catalina, Monterey, or Thick Sur? To be honest, I'm really enjoying the Thick Sur. Monterio got a light mode. I don't like that. Says we got 2 minutes left, so in the meantime, I'm gonna watch videos.
You know, that bully that you had, we talked to him about bullies. We gotta worry about that no more.
So now we have PearOS. I'm gonna switch to the virtual machine window and we gonna get this started. Alright, perfect. Now we're on the virtual, no we're not. Okay, so now we're on the virtual machine window. As you can see, I already have one of these already set up, PearOS Catalina, but we need two other ones. So we're gonna create another one called PearOS OS Fixer. No, not OpenSUSE. Alright, we're gonna give it 2 gigabytes of memory because you know how Mac is, you need like 8 it's minimum. We're gonna give it 60 gigabytes, not even, we're gonna give it it's 80 gigabytes of storage. Now we have PearOS. We're gonna start it up real quick. Alright, let me switch to my virtual machine window. Give me a second. Okay, so it's showing now that there's no bootable device. So what we're gonna do PearOS Fixer. Beautiful, and now we've got Fixer running. This definitely, oh Jesus. Okay, well, it's going to start loading PearOS Fixer now. Take a second. And yes, I know everyone's gonna be telling me, oh, why don't you use QEMU? But I don't know how. VirtualBox is mad easy.
It's taking forever.
Alright, so it seems we are now in PearOS. PearOS is definitely a bit glitchy, but you know, those and nothing we can't fix. Sounds interesting. You need to set up an account for contacts. No thanks. Empathy accounts. Empathy. Wait, so is this called P message or empathy? I'm confused. Anyways, let's get to installing PearOS Fixer. Welcome to the PearOS 11.10 installer. 11.1.0 installer. Looks like a generic Linux installer. We're gonna go here next. Okay, region, New York. Fine. Okay, we're gonna erase this and we're going to do this. What's my full name? Peanut Man. Choose the password. Install. Let's go. Now it's going to legitimately sit there and install. I'm gonna watch more videos. Let's go! PearOS 11.1.0 has been installed on your computer. Only took like 16 minutes to get it installed, so let's begin. I have to make sure it automatically unmounts. Got to explain that. If you're ever installing something on a virtual machine, make sure you unmount the optical disc. Or else every time you load back in, it's going to assume that you're talking about the setup ISO and it's going to run that instead of the base disk. Okay, so now we're back on the virtual machines. We're going to start it up again. I'm going to have to change the OBS a freaking again, man. Oh, I like that. I like that. Peanut Man. Type in our password and let us begin. Alright, it's not Google. I don't want Google. Dude. Right, so I'd say a pretty solid, unsolid operating system. Little loading screen, animation screen, how the screen breaks when you load in is kind of a little annoying, but I mean, we can work through it. So now we're going to head into Epiphany, which is, I assume, our browser. Start browsing and your most visited sites will appear here. Can I get a youtube.com? Okay, I don't want Linux stuff no more. I don't want to see Linux stuff anymore. Okay, get, wow. All right. We got Oh No, Our Table, It's Broken, and some America's Got Talent. Uh, Minecraft videos. I'd say pretty average, recommended. Okay, so definitely in the current state of the computer with my virtual machine, it can barely handle this entire thing. It's using a foreign graphics card on my computer. Sorry, this version of Minecraft requires keyboard. Please try again on another device. I guess that's like the freaking error message. We're gonna join. Okay. Here we are. My username is gonna be the same, Peanut Man. Would not recommend you play this on a virtual machine. Perfect. We have this on here. We have Vim. We have Vim on here. What else do we got? You have C++ on here. I'd assume so. I'd say that this is pretty decent. I mean, I would, if you want, you could have this as your desktop operating system, but it tries to imitate Mac, so it's like Mac but budget. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next one, but it's gonna be in two parts. Check out the part two. I'm gonna release sooner or later, but I just want to get this part edited. It's 23 minutes.